Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at your iPhone cables, why it is yellowing and fraying, and is it okay to use. So let's take a look at some of these cables right here. These are some of the cables that I have collected over the years. You can see this one here is quite yellow, and this one here is also a little bit yellow. This one here already have that rubber protection on the outside strip off. So while it is still okay for you to charge, even though it is yellowing, but this is a sign of deterioration. Now the reason why it is being yellow, it could be because due to heat, a strong heat on the inside. You can see this on the inside here, it got this wire, silver wire or electrical wire on the inside, and when this wire gets too hot, and over time the rubber on the outside get worn out, it will start to become hard, and then it start to flake off. You can see right here, this one here, when it is rubbery, it is fresh, strong and very stretchy, but once it start to become hard, it just fall out into small pieces like this. And as you can see right there, now you can see the wire inside here is the electrical wire that sends the electrical charging to this ports right here. Now there are also some other protection on the outside, so these braided wires are just like the protections, and then inside that is other actual wires. So if I stretch it out, you can have a look. You can see that in here they got more wires in here, and these are the actual electrical wire that's charging up your phone. Knock this one out here. This is just a insulation layer to protect the inner wire, but still when they are getting hot from charging, especially when you are charging, the cables become hot and cause the rubber to worn out, and then it becomes like this. So over time, if it start yellowing like this, it's a sign that this will soon start to fall apart. So if it's still if this happened too early, if it start yellowing quite early and you are still within your warranty period, you can get it replaced at Apple. Normally they would give you a replacement for free if it's still under warranty period. So if it is start yellowing, go and get it replaced as soon as possible before your warranty runs out. And yeah, so this is what happened. Most of the yellow cables start to fall apart. Now I got a bunch more of cables, for example, and when that happens, people are just starting to put tapes around it. You can see they'll start to go yellow, and here again it's going yellow, and people putting tape around the lightning port. You can see once it go yellow, it start to break apart. Now it's not something nice to look at or safe to use. So if it's like this, I'm not comfortable using it at all. So people start to putting tape on does not actually helps because the actual insulation layer start to fall apart. Now while you still can use it to charge up your phone, you may not charging up at a maximum efficient rate. So instead of, say, normally it takes you 3 hours to charge, perhaps that could take up to 3.5 or 4 hours. So it will take longer to charge up your phone if the cable starts to not working 100% at 100% efficiency. So yeah, so while it is yellow, you still can use it, but it's a sign that it's going to break apart. So be prepared to get a new cable when it starts to go yellow like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.